All right, y'all. Thanks for popping up on your boy. Appreciate y'all. And y'all all so kind. You know what I'm saying? Can't ask for more. You know what I'm saying? But you already know what it is. You know what I mean? Another battle. You know what I'm saying? Another battle. You know what I mean? Every day is a battle. Every day is something different. So um, you gotta um, you gotta train this flesh. You know what I'm saying? This mind. You gotta train it. You know what I mean? Cause like I say, ain't nobody else ain't gonna do it. It ain't gonna just happen. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's what it's about every day. You know what I mean? So thank y'all for popping up. And then we just gonna get busy. You know what I'm saying? Get straight to the leg work. You know what I'm saying? Straight to the leg work. And you already know me. You know what I'm saying? Never ready, never organized. I just hit record. You know what I mean? And just yeah. So um yeah. Oh, just hit record. That's all I do. I mean, don't mind me. Pray for me. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Put my music on. Turn this down. I don't know if y'all can hear this. Mm. It's crazy because I'm already sweating from the stretch alone. The stretch is a workout. Shoot. You know what I mean? But you already know. Hit feel a little better this time, you know what I'm saying? But you already know the drill. You're just gonna keep it moving. You're gonna keep it moving. Yeah, man. Yeah. It's crazy cause, you know what I'm saying? I talked to y'all for a split second. You know what I mean? Cause I ain't no talker. But that right there hurt it. Them hips. Oh my goodness. That hurt it. It's not even a daggone, to be honest with you, it's not even a daggone exercise. You know what I'm saying? That's hurting. It's the daggone hips. You know what I mean? But you already know. Gotta keep it, I make it do what it do. So I ain't gonna lie, it's annoying. It's really annoying. You know what I mean? Maybe don't want to do it. You know what I mean? Maybe want to tap out. Say, you know what? Chalk it. I don't care. It is all good. That's what the body want. You know what I'm saying? And you just gotta know, you know what I mean, how far to push yourself. Because you don't want to injure yourself, hurt yourself even more. So you gotta listen to your body, but at the same time, push yourself. So let's just say, you know what I'm saying, I decided to say, you know what, my hips hurt, I ain't working out. You know what I mean? Majority of the time, 9 times out of 10, I ain't gonna be working out. Because my hips be hurt. You know what I'm saying? The next thing you know what's gonna happen. Hips, legs, glutes, all that. Gonna start getting weaker and weaker. You know what I'm saying? What's benefiting, you know what I'm saying, not working out? What kind of benefits you get from that? So, you know what I'm saying, if I'm gonna do something, I want to do something that's gonna help my body. You know what I'm saying? So that makes sense. I ain't no talking. You know what I mean? Here I go again. That's why it's good to know what you're doing. So, you know, I keep walking back and forth. But at the end of the day, walking back and forth good for you too. Keep you moving. Another way to burn calories. You know what I'm saying? Walking, still being active. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Mm-mm-mm. I feel good though. I feel good for sure. Longevity in the long haul. All right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all sick and tired of me. You know what I'm saying? I'm sick and tired of y'all. It's like never that. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with your boy. Thank you for my subscribers, my old subscribers, my new subscribers, and my upcoming subscribers. Thank you all. Appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please like, please comment, please share, please hit the notification bell, the whole nine. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it. The love, support, you know what I mean? And it's just everything, you know what I'm saying? So there's only one click, that's it. I appreciate it. And it's only one day at a time, one step at a time, one move at a time, one exercise at a time. One probably said it already, one move, one exercise, one day, you know what I'm saying? Just take your time, you know what I mean? It's a marathon, not a race. You know what I mean? Don't compare yourself to nobody. Don't look to the left, don't look to the right, look straight ahead. You know what I'm saying? And you want to get one mind, one body, one spirit, one soul. So while we still can, while we still able, while we still here, whatever the case may be, we're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna keep moving, keep pushing. At the same time, work hard, push yourself, and enjoy life. Till next time, I don't know if you can see my face. Let me back up, because, you know, people start popping up. You know how I get, you know what I'm saying? Start shriveling up, though. But it's all good. I think I'm getting used to it. I don't know. You tell me. But, yeah.